Namaskar, I am Biplab Kumar Prasad. Do you know the ingredients of a successful life? The first ingredient of successful life is peace of mind. This is the most important. It is the highest human good. Without it, nothing else has much value. Because of this, we strive for it all our life. We usually evaluate how well we are doing at any given time by how much inner peace we enjoy. Peace of mind and positive thinking is essential for the optimal performance and happy life of all human groupings, from our relationship with our friends and family to business and organization in which we work. Health and energy is the second one, the second ingredient to a successful and a happy life. Just as peace of mind is your normal and natural mental state, health and energy is your normal and natural physical state. Third one is loving relationship. The third ingredient to a happy life is loving relationship. These are relationship with people you love and care about, and the people who love and care about you. They are the real measure of how you are doing as a human being. Happiness or unhappiness in life comes from our relationship with others, and it is our relationship with others that make us truly human. Financial freedom. The fourth ingredient of a happy and successful life is financial freedom. To be financially free means that we have enough money so that we do not worry about it continually as most people do. It is not money that lies at the root of all evil, it is the lack of money. Achieving our own financial freedom is one of the most important goals and responsibilities of our life. It is far too important to be left to chance. Our feeling of financial freedom is essential for our self improvement and to the achievement of any other important goal. We cannot be truly free until and unless we have enough money. The fifth one is worthy goals and ideas. The fifth ingredient of a happy life is setting worthy goals and ideals. Perhaps your deepest subconscious drive, according to Viktor E. Frankl, author of Man's Search for Meaning, is the need for meaning and purpose in life. To be truly happy, you need a clear sense of direction. You need positive thinking to get there. You need a commitment to something bigger and more important than yourself. You need to feel that your life stands for something, that you are somehow making a valuable contribution to the world. The sixth one is self-knowledge and awareness. The sixth ingredient to successful and a happy life is self-knowledge and self-awareness. Throughout all history, self-knowledge has gone hand in hand with inner happiness, positive thinking, and outer achievement. To perform your best, you need to know who you are and why you think and feel the way you do. Seventh one is personal fulfillment. The seventh a sense of personal fulfillment. This is a feeling that you are becoming everything, that you are moving forward. It is the realization of your full potential as a human being. Your happy life begins with self improvement and ends with a personal fulfillment, that you have accomplished all that you wanted to. Give a thumbs up if you have liked my video, and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.